Seasons come, seasons go. In a moment it flows like a tide, in the current of life it goes, and with time it lows, or so I was told. I look at my life and ask, when will I blow? When will the trials end? Because I've not been wired for trials that can make me lose my fire. Can a candle light survive in the midst of the storm? Can a sunflower survive in the season of the snow where the rays of light that keeps it beautiful never show? Can it remain the sunflower that shines bright when the rays of light are sucked into the stormy flakes? Can it remain the sunflower that shines bright when the season is longer due to climate change? Seasons come, seasons go. Yes, I know. But I'm getting weary of the time I have left to go. I'm losing my hope and daily glow. And that keeps me wondering, of course, seasons come, seasons go. But what if I decide to go with the flow?